Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a refund for your Google Play subscription. It's fast and simple process, so follow along. First of all, you need to go ahead, open your Google Play Store on your device, log into your account, tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen, then scroll down, tap on Help and Feedback, search for refund under Search for Help, tap on Request your Google Play refund. This will take you to this kind of interface where you need to go ahead and confirm your account. And if there are any purchases from your Google account which you want to refund, you'll find the information about Google Play Pass over there. It says that you can cancel your Play Pass subscription anytime and still have the access until the end of your paid period. It also states that if you cancel within the first 2 days of your monthly subscription and request a refund, they may refund the cost of that month. So while you can cancel anytime to potentially get a refund, cancel within the first 2 days of the monthly subscription. So go to Payment and Subscriptions, and here tap on Subscriptions, then simply cancel it from here. No matter which way you choose, you might get a refund. I hope this helped you understand how to refund a Google Play subscription. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.